Hi everyone, I'm Jenny McGee and welcome to this special training designed just for artists like you. I'm so thrilled you're here because today we are diving straight into something that can help you make your first art sale or your next big one. So for the first 5 years of my art career, I was struggling hard to make things work. And I know how overwhelming it can feel to navigate the art world, and especially when it comes to selling your work. But that's why I'm here to give you the tools and strategies that have worked for me and hopefully the confidence to grow a thriving art career. I literally just want to hand over everything to you that has worked for me. And I promise by the end of this video, you will leave with real actionable steps that you can implement today if you want. So let's start strong with a simple but powerful exercise that has been foundational to my success, creating your collector and connector list. So one of the biggest lessons I've learned in my career is that success in art isn't just about the work you create. It's about the relationships you build. These relationships with people who love your art and who want to support your journey are your secret weapon. Here's how we are going to uncover those relationships right now. Grab a notebook and a pen, and you can also download the Connectors and Collectors worksheet linked below after this video. And let's start creating your list. Step one is to identify your collectors. Collectors are people who have already shown interest in your art. They may have purchased a piece of your artwork before and raved about it. Your art, maybe they have mentioned on social media, they've come to your shows. These are not just your cheerleaders, the ones who just love what you do, but they are people with the means to buy art and original art. So maybe they haven't bought one of your art pieces, but you know they've bought your friend's piece, or you know that they buy art in general. So write these names down. Write the names of 5 people who fit this description. Don't overthink it. Just think about friends, family, colleagues, or past clients who you know love original art. Step 2 is to identify your connectors. Now, connectors are a little different. They may not buy your art themselves, but they are the bridge to potential buyers. These are people with great networks. They're gallery owners, they're local business leaders, or even a friend who just seems to know everyone. They are at all the networking events, right? They're the socialites. So take a moment, list 5 people who could help make connections to a new audience. You'll be surprised how quickly names actually come to mind when you focus on these details. Here's why this list matters. Collectors and connectors together form the backbone of your art business. By nurturing these relationships, you are creating a network of people who want to see you succeed and thrive. Now that you have your list, your connectors and collectors, let's talk about another tool to help you make your first sale. It's a simple social media plan. And I've created a downloadable again, and a strategy for the Instagram and LinkedIn that you can access for free after this training. So these platforms are some of the best platforms for artists to build relationships and sell work. And here's how it works. For Instagram, definitely show your process. Post short videos or images of your work in progress to build excitement, to romance your network. And they want to know the stories, right? They want to know the details, not just the end result, okay? So engage your audience. Use those stories to ask questions like, what do you think of this color palette? Or which piece speaks to you the most? And then third, do a call to action at least once a week. It's just a friendly invitation to purchase your work, to commission a piece from you. For LinkedIn, I want you to post about your collectors and connectors, sharing stories about your art's impact on people. For example, highlight a past client, what the piece has meant to them, or even if you haven't had clients before, highlight what it means to you. Share the story, share the bigger impact of your art. The connectors, and it's important to do that. And so then you can also send personalized messages that might introduce you to ask for an introduction to people who are connected with galleries. So you can also download my full plan below with the sample outreach templates that make this super easy for you to know what to say today after the video. So now that you've got 2 powerful tools, your collectors and your connectors list and a social media outreach strategy, let's take a moment to talk about why these tools are just the beginning. So when I started my art business, I did not know where to begin. I felt like I was spinning my wheels, just trying to figure out it on my own, everything on my own. Well, on my own and by myself was not working. So over time, I invested in private coaching, business resources. It was over $20,000 worth of art business skills. It helped me get to where I am today. However, I would never ever want artists to ever have to invest that much money. So part of my mission is to help other painters and collage artists succeed and literally hand over all the resources that help me make over $100,000 of art sales a year for an incredible and unbelievable price. There's just too many coaching programs that cost thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars with very little return. And I want to give artists the most bang for the buck, the most return for the littlest amount of cost to them, and hand over everything I have learned and the resources that I have used and tested. So I built the Profitable Artist Academy, and here's a taste of what you will get in the Academy. You'll get my personal contact list of over 2,000 designers and realtors and businesses actively looking for art, people who have the means to buy. You'll get proven sales scripts, the exact messages that I use to sell consistently, even to new clients. You'll get licensing resources, contacts, and step-by-step guidance if you want to license your art for products or media, mindset and sales training, tools to help you stay motivated and overcome any challenges all artists face. And you'll get exclusive business plan, the plan that landed me my first $10,000 sale, and how you can use it too. And there's so much more. There's so many resources, and they're valued over $20,000 because they come from real tested strategies that work. But here's the thing. I remember what it was like to be an artist on a super, super tight budget, and that is why I have made the Profitable Artist Academy an absolute no-brainer. I want this to be accessible to you so that you can start growing your art business today without breaking the bank and without spending thousands of dollars in programs that just keep selling you more and more things. So the Profitable Artist Academy is a vault of extremely valuable information that's been proven over and over to help artists succeed and thrive. Just check out the testimonials below. And there is no need to spend thousands on coaching to get to where you want to be. So by now, if this is feeling like the next best step for you, and if you are ready to fast track your success, click the link below to get access to the Profitable Artist Academy. And let's take all the guesswork out of selling your art so that you can focus on what you do the best, creating your incredible art. And I'm so excited to see you inside and to watch your art sales just take off. So don't wait. This is your moment to invest in yourself, in your work, and in your future as an artist. Let's make it happen together today. And I'm so excited for you and all the painting sales you will be making soon. It's as easy as just clicking the link below to get access to everything. And I can't wait to see you inside. And there's no risk. There's 3 days that you can try it out for yourself, or you get your money back. So click the link below, join today. There's no reason not to, and I cannot wait to see your sales just soar.